Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook tofu, shrimps, broccoli, steamed egg. These four foods combined together really taste so well. You should give it a try. First, prepare some tofu and cut it into small dices. Put the tofu onto a plate. Now crack 2 eggs. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add some water to it. Mix well and don't forget to remove the bubbles. Pour the egg onto the plate. Now we need to prepare some broccoli. Peel some shrimps. Prepare the pan and cook the broccoli and shrimps first. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Remove them from the pan after a couple of minutes. Now put the shrimps and broccoli onto the tofu and egg. Prepare the steamer and steam it for 15 minutes. Turn off the fire and this dish is ready. If you like soy sauce or sesame oil, you can add some. It will taste good too. And this is today's video. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.